What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to do another monthly update for you guys on what I have sold on eBay. This is for the month of May 2021. As you know, March was the best month I've ever had. April was a lot lower, which I thought it was going to be, but May has turned around and it has been above average for what I usually do, so it is always good to see. eBay is an up and down game. You don't always sell the same amount of parts and the prices can vary a lot, so things always go up and down. This month is above average, so that is good. I sold 15 items this month, so that's 5 more than April, and I will get listing them out for you guys right now. Ford Super Duty Cruise Control Sensor, $150 plus $10 shipping. Jeep Cherokee Headlight, $60 plus $20 shipping. Range Rover Evoque Wiring Harness, $75 plus $5 shipping. Mercedes Headlight Fan, $60 plus $5 shipping. Toyota Tundra Headlight, $100 plus $25 shipping. Toyota Corolla Headlight, $250 plus $25 shipping. Honda HR-V Taillight, $115 plus $15 shipping. Jeep Cherokee Taillight, $100 plus $10 shipping. Audi Q7 Headlight, $800 with free shipping. Nissan Murano Headlight, $215 plus $30 shipping. Volvo XC90 Rear Window Switch, $25 plus $7 shipping. Mercedes CLS 550 Mirror, $65 plus $5 shipping. Nissan NV Grill, $300 plus $75 shipping. Volvo XC90 Inner Door Handle, $30 plus $7 shipping. And Volvo XC90 Front Window Switch, $25 plus $7 shipping. So that was 15 items that I sold in May, and there were some good big items in there that all added up to $2,370, which is definitely above my average. The buyers paid $246 of shipping, and it cost me $291 to ship everything out. So once again, I did lose some money on shipping, but it was very close. This is why I don't do free shipping, because I would hate to spend all that money out of my profits to ship things out. I always charge, but I did lose some money on it, but that is okay. After subtracting the shipping, I ended up with $2,325, and minus the 13% of eBay fees, that was $279. I ended up with $2,046 of profit in the end. So as you can tell, obviously $2,000 is more than my average, so I'm very happy. With the 15 items I sold, it came out to an average of $136 per item, so that is pretty good. Just for a personal thing, I like to sell things for an average of $100 or more, so once I'm above that, it feels pretty good to me. I did sell another 4 items from my parts cards that I had, so once again, it's always good to see those parts being sold. I sold one big item, which was that Audi Q7 headlight for $800. That was obviously a huge thing to sell, and I'm very glad that it was sold. If you guys remember, I did a video on that, and that headlight was perfect. There was no damage on it, so I tried to get all the money for it. So obviously $800 is awesome. I did sell a bunch of other higher priced items that were in the $200, $300 range. It's always good when you're selling parts like that and the profits, jump up rather nicely instead of selling a bunch of little items. The big surprise that sold for $300 was that Nissan NV grill. That is one of those new style big vans. The grill was a little bit damaged and a little bit scratched up, but it wasn't too bad, but it still sold for $300, which I was kind of surprised about. So to me, that's one of those things where if you guys are looking for parts, you might be able to find those grills really cheap online on Craigslist or Facebook to resell on eBay. So keep an eye out for that stuff if you guys are looking for things. That's about it. Of course, I hope you guys are liking these videos. I like to share what I sell with you guys. You guys can go out and try to find the same parts that I'm selling, or you can see what a normal person like me at my house sells and how much money you can make. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I've been making these monthly update videos for you guys for almost a year now, so you guys can really go back and look at everything that I've sold. I've sold plenty of random car parts that have got me a lot of money. So once again, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Give me a like if you do. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know and I will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.